gonna have your haircut
Hello,
today?
Philippines. Ilang sa bayan.
Haircut day for Awesome Brian. Hello everyone! For today's video, mga ganap namin today is haircut ni Brian and magpapapalit kami ng gulong at the same time change all. Ayan, papunta na kami sa shop. Full parking. Do you have more parking space?
Ay!
Is it on the rim?
Without rim.
Without rim.
Yeah.
For off rim is $120 if you're paying cash. If you're paying by card, it's gonna plus tax. And for oil is $90 for both of them.
So how much have
So it's gonna be like around 210 if you're paying cash.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay. You can
Leave
just
it
get
here,
on.
I can drive it.
Okay. But, nakunta niya kasi.
Wala na, 200.
210.
Didn't want it.
Excuse me, I'll just leave it, the tools over here. Okay. Here's the key. Thank you. No, can you just call me when it's ready?
Okay.
It's up to you. But tell them to just talk to this guy this one. Okay. Got that video number?
647. 1 hour?
Yeah.
More than an hour.
Yeah,
Okay, thank
So
you.
oil plus both, right? Oil
Yeah.
and tire both.
Habang hinihintay namin yung yung sasakyan, magpapagupit muna si Awesome Brian. Ayan, so nilakad na lang namin yung papuntang barber shop dahil sobrang lapit lang. Yung haircut pala dito sa Canada ay $18. Ayan, nag-i-start na ang hair session ni Brian. Sobrang behave niya. So, after this, babalik na kami dun sa car shop. Tignan natin kung tapos nang napalitan ng gulong at napa-change all yung sasakyan. So, ayan, nag-inquire ako kung ilang minutes pa ang hihintayin ko. So, mga 15 minutes na lang daw and ready to go na ang ating sasakyan. Tapos nang na-change oil at napalitan ng gulong. So, bilangin natin kung andito lahat ng ating winter tire. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 at saka yung cart. So, ayan mga guys, yung mga ganap natin for today's video. Until next time, bye!